Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get always on display in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So guys, first of all, we have to go to settings and here scroll so that we have an option of display here. Just tap to display and as you guys see that we don't have any option of always on display. So that means we have to use a third party application by Play Store. So just go to Play Store and here search for Movies Edge. This one is the application by the way. Just install this application. Now after installing, just click open. So guys, it's required the permission here. Just enable the permission and then go back. So as you see, just click on AOD, that means always on display, and we have a lot of always on display here. Just use any always on display which is free. After that, just click apply here. Now all you guys have to do, just cross it and then go to settings. Then click to always on display guys, and here allow the brightness to 100%. Now scroll and as you see all the setting is done now. So let's see. So as you see, this is how we can enable or how we can set up always on display in Samsung Galaxy A06 device by using a third party application. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.